following program is intended for mature audiences.
There are two types of wood spiders, and they can easily be identified by their credit history and behavior. The wood spider, whom used Canada Credit Fix to repair his credit, was able to build a new home and get approved for a mortgage with ease. The wood spider with bad credit struggled to find a decent home and had trouble getting credit, mortgages, and even finding a rental web. The wood spider with bad credit attempted to repair it himself, getting the runaround, getting run around, and run around till he finally got fed up. The more he tried to clean his credit, the worse it got. The wood spider with repaired credit was able to ensure his credit report was kept clean for an entire year with Canada Credit Fix's analytics service. His credit report was monitored monthly for accuracy, ensuring it stayed error-free. The wood spider with clean credit was able to purchase a new car and get approved virtually instantly. The great rate made his purchase very affordable. The bad credit spider got so sick and frustrated from dealing with the credit runaround, he ended up blowing his head off. The wood spider who used Canada Credit Fix now lives in a great home with his own mortgage, owns a spanky new car. Eventually feeling sorry for the bad credit wood spider, the good credit spider allowed him to move into his web. If you would like more information on Canada Credit Fix, please log in to www.canadacreditfix.com or contact us toll-free at 1-866-530-3646.